Good morning, everybody. Today's task is we're trying to catch the roosters that have been waking me and my uncle up. He just moved in back from America. He's been in America with me for the past 35 years or more. Since he was 17 and I was 10, I knew him. And today we want to catch these roosters. They're waking us up. I'm still trying to get used to all that yelling back there. So we made a little trap, Tongan trap here. See if I can home in on it. With a gate, a rope line. Yeah, there it is, the rope line to the house. And we're after those roosters over there. That one in particular. I want to eat them already. Saibe, Tongan moa. Tongan chicken. They're actually very good and they're free. But that's our goal, to get that rooster underneath that fence sometime today. Either me or my uncle. I gotta still go down into town and I will still be going into town today to handle business. I gotta go just a couple of things get accomplished, get to the business certificate before I can get on to the business visa. So step one to step two, that's what I'm doing today. But those roosters have been waking us up, so me and my uncle got a goal. We're gonna eat those roosters and minimize the crowing. We don't mind the hens, but that at 5 in the morning, 4 in the morning, you just want to kill that thing. So we'll eat it eventually. I'm looking forward to it. But he's very smart. He's been eluding us big time. He knows what he's doing. I'm gonna try to see if I can catch him. Tried to force his hand and come around the house on that side to get him to slowly work his way this way, since there was a lot of the hens and the babies underneath there. But that's one smart chicken. He came around, he seen what was going on, and he just on his own took off. We'll get him in time. We'll get him.